Welcome to the latest Flying Lecturer flight blog. With the aircraft booked on a day when the weather forecast wasn't ideal, neither Oliver nor I wanted to entertain the possibility of landing away far from home and getting stuck there. So, a short trip to Hawarden was planned. The route is fairly simple. South from Blackpool, crossing the Walton Mats pier to pier, dodging the Woodvale ATC, and then the usual route through the Liverpool zone from Seaforth to Neston. On to Flint Bridge, and then a left turn gets you there in no time at all. You join us ready for departure. Enjoy the flight.
And Golf Romeo Lima, ready for departure.
Golf Romeo Lima, hold position, squawk 3650. After departure, it's a right turn out to route pier to pier, not above 1,500 feet.
Hold position, squawk 3650. After departure, right turn pier to pier, not above 1,500 feet. Golf Romeo Lima. That's standby for now.
Golf Romeo Lima, sorry, can you read back again?
Squawk hold position, squawk 3650. After departure, right turn pier to pier, not above 1,500 feet.
Golf Romeo Lima, correct. Golf Romeo Lima, line up 10.
Line up 10, Golf Romeo Lima. So that can now go to alt, can't it?
Golf Romeo Lima, if you can make a left turn out to depart the circuit downwind, left hand.
Left hand to depart the circuit downwind, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, runway 10, clear for takeoff, Simpson 180 degrees 9 knots.
Clear takeoff, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Bravo Whiskey, continue approach.
Continue approach, Golf Bravo Whiskey.
Vehicle application of full power we have. P's and P's are in the green. Airspeed indicator is active. Airs 60 knots. Into the air, keep the nose down.
Golf Mike Charlie, taxi.
Golf Charlie Mike, Roger, score 3650, hold position.
80 knots.
Hold position, 3650, Mike Charlie, Golf Charlie.
Into the
Golf
climb.
Bravo Whiskey, so you're going around. If you can position behind the one ahead, they'll be routing downwind left hand.
So far, there's nowhere we've made land, so we're going around at 1,000.
200 feet, flaps are up. Engine is at full power. So let's
Approach
80.
Alpha Victor Alpha, with information Oscar, runway 28, November 025, just coasting in at Pilling with a space.
Golf Whiskey Alpha Victor Alpha, Blackpool approach basic service, information Oscar current IQNH 1025, report west of the tall tower.
Report west of the tall tower, Golf Victor Alpha.
Golf Victor Alpha, runway 10, use expect a left base join and QFE 1024.
Expect left base join, QFE 1024, Golf Victor Alpha.
So what the hell do we do now? Go downwind and then what?
I think it's probably for spacing.
Then just do a crosswind.
Yeah.
So do we stay at circuit height?
Yeah, I think so.
Well,
Actually,
Golf Charlie Mike, via Echo, line 10.
Right, Echo, line up 10, Mike Charlie, Echo Charlie.
Correct, Golf Charlie Mike.
or maybe we don't need to, do we?
Golf Romeo Lima, you can now make the turn southbound to route towards St Anton.
Make the turn to St Anton Pier, thank you, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Charlie Mike, runway 10, right turn out, clear for takeoff, Simpson 180 degrees 8 knots.
Runway 10, with a right turn, clear takeoff, Golf Mike Charlie Mike.
Golf Romeo Lima, the squirrel that's just departing is also routing southbound towards Pier.
Roger, Golf Romeo Lima.
Road, Golf Oscar Whiskey Sierra Tango at fuel pumps, request taxi to Westair.
Golf Oscar Whiskey Sierra Tango, Blackpool approach. Taxi to Westair.
Taxi to Westair, Golf Sierra Tango.
Hey, so, well, we're at top of climb.
Front engine, I'll put your position. Impact disregarded.
Disregarding.
Copy Charlie Mike, contact what radar
129.30, copy Charlie.
Golf Romeo Lima, visual with a squirrel.
Negative, Golf Romeo Lima.
Roger, they're lower than you to your left slightly.
Yeah, sorry, I'm now visual with a squirrel, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, roger, contact what radar 129530.
What radar 129530, Golf Romeo Lima. You,
Still. Water radar, this is Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima.
Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, transit the mountains to the west, QNH 1025, keep a lookout for light helicopter traffic, believed to be near 12 o'clock at about half a mile, 200 feet below.
Transit the mats to the south, QNH 1025, and we're visual with the squirrel, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, thanks, just confirm service required.
Request basic service, please, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo, roger, basic service and report ready to leave frequency for Liverpool.
Basic service and report ready to leave frequency, Golf Romeo Lima. Golf Romeo Lima is Southport PA altitude 1,400 feet, request frequency change to Liverpool radar 119.5.
Golf Romeo Lima, squawk 7,000, recall Liverpool back.
Squawk 7,000 and recall Liverpool, Golf Romeo Lima. Liverpool radar, this is Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima.
oops, sorry.
Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, Liverpool radar, good morning.
Golf Romeo Lima is a PA28 from Blackpool to Hawarden, with Southport altitude 1,450 feet. Request basic service on the zone, transit to the south, routing Seaport and Neston, please. Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, squawk 5051, it's a basic service.
Squawk 5051 basic service, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, cleared across Liverpool controlled airspace, routing Seaport, Neston, not above altitude 1,500 feet, VFR, QNH 1026.
Clear to transit to Liverpool zone, routing south, Seaport and Neston, not above altitude 1,500 feet, VFR, QNH 1026, Golf Romeo Lima.
Romeo Lima, correct. Golf Romeo Lima, action controlled airspace, radar control service.
Radar control service, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, traffic west 7 miles eastbound with me, it's an Airbus 320 descending at 2,500 feet IR.
Roger, looking out, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, did you say you're inbound to Hawarden?
Hey, firm, Golf Romeo Lima.
Roger, I'll let them know you're coming, so if you head towards Flint Bridge.
We'll go head towards Flint Bridge, Golf Romeo Lima, thanks.
Where's that?
Flint Bridge is
that where we're heading to?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Luckily.
Golf Romeo Lima for Hawarden, squawk 0430.
0430 for Hawarden, squawk Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, you can free call hard now, they are expecting, so you can free call them on 120055, bye-bye.
Free call Hawarden on 120.055 Golf Romeo Lima, thanks. Hawarden radar, this is Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima.
Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, Hawarden radar, QNH 1026, what service at flight control district?
QNH 1026, request basic service outside control S-point, and request joining instructions, please, confirm.
Golf Romeo Lima, leaving control airspace, basic service, join right base, runway 22.
Basic service after leaving control airspace and join right base, runway 22, Golf Romeo Lima.
Golf Romeo Lima, correct. Just started runway 22 with a turnout to the northwest, citation 56 X-ray.
Roger, looking at Golf Romeo Lima. Right, so we're right base
Golf
22.
Romeo Lima, contact Hawarden Tower 124.955.
Contact Hawarden Tower 124.955, Golf Romeo Lima. So you do that. 4.9. Oh. 124.955. Hawarden Tower, this is Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima.
Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo Lima, Hawarden Tower, good morning to you. Number 1, runway 22, report final, QFB 1025.
Number 1, runway 22, report final, QFB 1025, Golf Romeo Lima. Turn
16036.
turn left, and heading is 141.
141.
Control, cross runway 22, Golf 1 Foxtrot.
Right, so we're going to do a right base for 22.
Yep.
Where's 22?
The one that comes back this way, basically.
But, so we want to
Go over to the left a little bit.
yeah, okay. We follow the canal,
Yeah, that works.
and I guess we can, how far away are we? Not so far. 5 miles?
We're 10 miles. Oh, sorry, 3 miles.
Right, so we can start to come down. Okay, we haven't done a tanks, have we? But I guess we'll
We've been flying for 30 minutes.
do a tanks just while we're...
Yep.
Fuel pump goes on. Tanks go to right. Fuel pump goes off. Hey! Brakes are off. Undercarriage is fixed. Mixture is rich. Fuel is on, and this is
So it's right here.
Oh, crikey. Fuel pump goes on. Instruments, QNH is set. Arm heat. Arches and harnesses, you secure. Secure, landing light go on.
Digit 694, is that you complete for the day?
You have the radio now. Last thing he said was report final.
Yep, I've totally cocked that up. Okay, carb heat goes on. Oh my god. In the white arc. And 20. There we go, not too bad. 70 knots. Knots, Michael, knots. And Golf Romeo Lima, turning final 22 to land.
Golf Romeo Lima, runway 22, clear to land, wind 160 degrees 5 knots.
Clear to land, Golf Romeo Lima. What did we say, 160?
Yep.
That was light, wasn't it? But
Yeah.
If you've enjoyed this or any of the other videos on this site, please feel free to like or subscribe. Either way, see you for the next one.